Hey guys, so this is the Whispering Accent, and I decided to make another video because I'm on fall break right now, and I have a little bit of time to myself for once. Just had a bunch of midterms, and for one of my midterms, it was my, it's called EMAC, but it's basically Intro to Polymer Sciences and Engineering. For that midterm, I had to memorize this one, type of mechanism. And so the mechanism is called, I'm just gonna write it out because the thing is, I want to do a video with drawing because people think that drawing is like relaxing. So I'm gonna do drawing, but I can't draw. So what I'm gonna do is this chemical mechanism that I had to memorize. I hope you enjoy it. I hope that you find it relaxing. And here goes. I'm gonna start up here. I hope that you can see it. So what you have is, oh, that was horrible. You have a chain like this, okay? It's polymer. Polymer is a bunch of repeat units. I think this is CH, and then you have an H here, so 1, 2, this is CH, yeah. And what happens is, you get this thing here. If you look at it closely, you can tell that it's what they call a theoretical hexagon. So you have this theoretical hexagon going on here, and actually this is a 2. This has a free radical on it. And what happens is, the free radical doesn't want to be there. It's just not stable, it's not a good place for it to be. So what happens is it takes this hydrogen. And by taking this hydrogen, and this is no longer a free radical then, by taking this hydrogen, this gets a free radical. So we show that in the reaction like so. There's your chain, and here's CH, and it's no longer attached to H because that's gone. So you have a free radical here. CH2, 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 and now you have CH3. And if you look closely, this is something that's actually kind of familiar if you know any organic chemistry. This is similar to your 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon chain. This is a butyl group. Okay, so butyl group plus, and now let's say you want to add more polymer into the mix. So you add ethylene, which is CH2 double bonded to CH2. If you want to know what it looks like this. You have C double bonded to C, 2 H's, like that. Okay. So this is just your standard ethylene. So let's say you're adding ethylene on. So what's going to happen is it's going to go whoop and add on to this guy here. You have a one-sided arrow because that represents transfer of electrons. I hope that you all can see this. It's hard to tell on my camera if it's visible, but so anyway. Okay. Yeah, get that going on. And what happens is you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It doesn't have to be perfect, but H2CH. I believe this is a 2. And you get a free radical on there. And you still have your hexagon going on here. So one of these hydrogens like, okay, I'll help you out. He's like, okay, cool, let's join up. But then the free radical's transferred here. Okay? So now, what you have your free radicals there. Okay, and it moved over to there. Alright, so now you have CH2, CH3, because this hydrogen, the CH3, one of these H's went here. So then you had CH2. So now that you have CH2, you've got the free radical. Okay, so now that this branch is gone and this free radical's gone, you have a group form here. So I'm not including the free radical, that just happened to get boxed in. I didn't mean to do that. Okay, so this group, if you can't tell because I'm sloppy, this is CH2, CH3. Yeah, that's your ethyl then. I think I might have an extra H on there. Anyways, okay, but this group is your ethyl group. Okay, now what happens is this part of the chain, this hexagonal part, continues to polymerize and continues to add stuff on. So it just keeps going, keeps arranging, you keep getting the process going over and over and over again. And soon what you're gonna get is this. You have a chain going on, and then you have like a butyl group add on, you have an ethyl group add on. You know, oops, that's not an ethyl group, that's, okay, you don't need that. Okay, so you add these groups on, and then you get these branches forming on your main polymer chain. I just like to scribble, because I can. So yeah, this test was definitely high stress. This was one 25-point question. Okay? I think this was the only question I got right on the entire test. So, yeah, I'm not too sure about this one. It's gonna be bad. It's gonna be bad, but oh well, that's okay. I know this though. This is the main idea, and now you know this, right? Sorry, I didn't do the best job explaining. I just wanted something to draw because I can't draw. I'm not very artistic. I suppose I could be if I wanted to be, but I'm good at this. This is good. So if you memorize this, or if you understand this, cool. If you don't worry about it. It's just supposed to be relaxing. Maybe the science aspect of it canceled out the relaxation, but I find that when I'm getting tutored, which I get tutored a lot, I seek help when I need it. When they're using their hand and they're using their pen to point, I find that really relaxing. And just like drawing things out like that. Like, it's totally relaxing for me. Let me know if you think it's relaxing. Maybe I'll do another one. I mean, if I'm just recording myself doing homework, then maybe I can make more time for videos. I don't know, it's just a thought. Okay, well, like I said, I hope you enjoyed this. If not, let me know, and I'll see if I can do anything better. Okay, thumbs up, take care. I'm gonna stop now. Okay, bye.